myself Mrs. Nivedita Matpati. Today I am here with the subject Value Education. Children, in your previous class you have already learned about the Value Education first lesson, that is Pray to God. Okay, so today we will learn Value Education second lesson. What is, children? I will show you the textbook which you have to open it. This is the Value Education textbook. Here, a book of moral education. Yes, I can. A book of moral education. Children, here, moral education is also known as value education. Got it? Both will call the same. So, now, see here, you can open the page number 7. Page number 7, lesson 2, keeping ourselves clean. Okay? Now, see to the board, children. Keeping oneself clean. Keeping oneself clean means what, children? Here oneself means ourself. Oneself means ourself. In this topic we will discuss only how to maintain cleanliness only about ourselves. Here we will not discuss about others like your friends, like your neighbors or your brother and sister or about your cousins and all. Only we will discuss about myself or about yourself. Got it? So, before starting, I will tell you some points here, how to maintain the cleanliness. Okay? See to the children, first point is, cleanliness is very important for us, isn't it? Keeping ourselves clean is very important here. Whether anyone else will come and tell us to be neat here? No, we ourselves should maintain the cleanliness. See to the second point, if we not keep our body clean, we may fall ill, isn't it, children? If you won't maintain the cleanliness, we will fall ill. What is this ill, children? I-double-L. Ill means we may get fever, cold, cough, etc. When all this will come? All this will happen when means if we will not maintain the cleanliness. At that time, we will fall ill here. Next. To keep our body clean, we should brush our teeth every day in the morning and at night before we go to bed. The first thing, when in the morning, when you get up, you should brush your teeth every day in the morning and even at night also. After having your meals, after having your dinner, before you go to bed, you should brush. Means in one day, twice you have to brush your teeth. When children? In the morning and at night also. Next, if we should take bath every day in the morning, isn't it? After when you woke up, first you will brush your teeth. Then after that, what you will do, children? You should go and have your bath, isn't it? Next, we should wear a clean cloth after taking a bath. Isn't it? See, after having a bath, you should wear a clean cloth. Are you going to wear a dirty cloth, children, here? No, you should wear a clean cloth. I will show you the clean cloth and the dirty cloth. You should tell me which type of cloth you will be wearing here. See, children, this is the dirty cloth. Are you going to wear this type of cloth after having the bath? No. Now, you see to the clean cloth, children. Are you going to wear this type of cloth or this type of cloth after having the bath? Yes, you will wear the clean cloth. See how much clean it's looking. See now how it's dirty it's looking. So, you should wear a clean cloth. Got it, children? You should wear a clean cloth after having a bath. If you wear a dirty cloth, then what is the use of taking the bath here? Isn't it? Whatever you are doing with systematically in a correct order, everything should be neat and clean here. So, after having a bath, you should wear a clean cloth. Next, you should comb your hair properly. You should wash your hands properly before and after eating meals. Isn't it, children? Now, as according to, first you will have your brush, then you will take a bath, then you will wear a clean cloth. After that, you should go and stand in front of the mirror and you should comb your hair properly. And afterwards you should wash your hands. Before going to eat your food, first you have to wash your hands with the soap neatly. Isn't it, children? Are you going to eat with the dirty hands here? No. If you eat with the dirty hands, then again you will fall ill. Your stomach starts paining. Isn't it? Next, you should also clean your hands, feet, face after playing. See, obviously daily you might be going outside to play, isn't it? So, when you return back, what you will do, children? Yes, you will go direct to the bathroom. With the soap, you will wash your hands, isn't it? Your feet also, both of your legs, feet you will clean. Then you will wash your face also. Isn't it, children? Yes, if you are not doing, please do this one. Okay? Next, we should keep our nails clean. Isn't it? See, these are the 4 fingers you are having a nails here. You should not grow the nails, because if you grow the nails, what will happen? The dirty things will enter into the nails. When the dirty things will enter into the nails, if you start eating with dirty nails only, with the dirty fingers only, then what will happen? Again you will fall ill. Got it? Because the dirty thing will go inside the stomach with the food. Isn't it? So, always you should trim your nails neatly, regularly. You should watch it again and again, whether the nails are growing or not. Got it, children? Next, ones who maintains cleanliness keep away diseases. Isn't it, children? This is there. If you maintain the cleanliness, you will be away from the disease. Got it? All the disease. Okay. The next, children, here like our body, keeping a home is also very important. Got it? A clean house keeps us healthy. Okay. If we keep our house dirty, mosquitoes, germs and flies will grow. They may cause disease and make us ill. See, obviously, not only our body, the place where you are sitting, that also should be neat and clean. Now, however you are staying in the home, okay, so you should, wherever full house you have to keep it clean and neat, children. Because if the house is dirty and you are clean, what is the difference here? Isn't it? So, your house also, wherever the rooms are there, all the rooms, 2 rooms, 3 rooms or 4 rooms, you should keep all your rooms also neat and clean. Because you may find mosquitoes, flies, etc. Something will be there in the home. If they all are there, then it's not a good thing here. You should clean your house also. So, these are the points, children, which you have to maintain to keep your body clean and healthy. So now, we'll come to the topic, children. We will come to the lesson. Before I go to the lesson, I will tell you some new words, children. Okay? Here are new words, children. First one is healthy. Healthy means what, children? Keeping healthy and strong. If you maintain your body healthy and strong, then everyone will see how the boy is very healthy, fat and healthy. Isn't it? So, next one, lazy. If your mother says you to do something, if you are telling, oh mom, I don't want to, you will tell, na? If you do suddenly, if your mother tells to bring the clothes, if you go and bring, she will tell, oh, my child is very active. But if you don't bring, if you tell mom, tell to brother, tell to sister or mom, you only go and bring, na? If you tell, what this indicates? You are doing lazy here. Okay, you are not listening to your mother, so you are doing lazy here. What is, children? Next, rinsed. R-I-N-S-E-D. Rinsed means here putting water into the mouth and throwing it outside. Putting clean water inside the mouth and throwing the water outside. It is called R-I-N-S-E-D, rinsed. Okay. Next, shouted. Isn't it? If you and your brother are playing, suddenly you both will fight. Then who will start shouting? Anyone will start shouting, na? That is shouted. While playing cricket and all, are you going to play cricket in a quiet way? No. You will be shouting, isn't it? By shouting you will be playing the cricket. Not only the cricket, whichever the game you are playing. Next, dirty. As I showed you the dirty and the clean cloth. That dirty. Okay. Next, expect. Expect. Idea. Making an idea. Now sitting, if you want to go any trip, then you will make an idea, na? That, oh yes, we will go there, this place, that place, we will have this food, we will have the meals, we will stay one night in another place, like that. Before going, you will make an idea, isn't it? That is called idea. Next, ashamed. Ashamed means what, children, here? If you do any mistake and you are caught by your parents, what you will do? You will make your head down and you will sit quiet. Means you will be not able to show your face in front of your parents. Okay. Next, onwards. Onwards means today onwards. Now onwards. It is called now onwards. You will tell your mother. That mother, your mother will tell you how much lazy you are. Then what you will tell? No mom. Now onwards. I will go and bring the clothes. Isn't it? That is called onwards. So children, now let's start the unit here. Okay. See to the picture, children. You can see to the first picture here. See. Rahul had clean, healthy habits. Here the boy name. You can see to the picture. He is the Rahul. Okay. He is clean and healthy. But he did not like to brush his teeth. You can see the picture, children, here. Rahul is there and Rahul is having a sister here. They both are brushing. But see here, Rahul's sister is brushing here. But what Rahul is doing? He is just putting the clean water into the mouth and he is just throwing it outside. This is called rinsed. R-I-N-S-E-D. Rinsed means what? What he is doing? He is putting the water into the mouth and he is throwing outside. Got it? So now see here. Rahul had clean and healthy habit. As I showed you in the first picture, you can see there. But he did not like to brush his teeth. That is why in the picture, you can see there, he doesn't like because he was lazy. Okay? He don't want to brush his teeth. So he just rinsed his mouth before eating. Okay, just he put the water and throw it outside. His mother was very angry with this habit. Obviously, if you do any lazy habit, what your mother will do? She will become angry only. If you are not studying for the exam, then what your mother will do? She will become angry, na? If you listen to your mother, she will become happy here, isn't it? Then, one morning, he woke up. Children, here he means who? Rahul. Like you, one of the boy name is Rahul. Okay. One morning, he woke up and asked his mother to give him milk. What he did, children? Rahul here. Rahul, one morning he woke up and what the mother did? She brought what he said to his mother, please give me a milk to drink here. So, she did not know that Rahul had not brushed his teeth. Obviously, she don't know because she was busy in the kitchen. So, she don't know that Rahul did not brush his teeth. So, what she did? She gave him milk. He drank it. See, he didn't tell to his mother. What? That he didn't brush his teeth. And mother, she also was not knowing that he didn't brush his teeth. She gave the milk, he drank it. Then he came and sat at the breakfast table. Here in the breakfast table, he came and sat. Who came to the? Rahul came and sat at the breakfast table to drink the milk. Next, his sister told her mother about this. Mother was very angry. You can see to the second picture, children, here. Second picture. See what Rahul here. Rahul drank the milk. Rahul's sister is there here. Rahul's sister, Rahul's mother is there. And what Rahul did? He drank the milk. Okay. Mother asked, Rahul drank the milk. Now what the sister is telling? His sister told her mother about this. About this means what? She told that see, Rahul did not brush the teeth. Like that only he drank the milk. To whom she is telling? She is telling to her mother. Okay. Then mother was very angry. She became very angry here. In the second picture, you can see this, children. Got it, children? See. Okay. You came to know what Rahul did. He did not tell that he didn't brush the teeth. So his sister told to her mother that he did not brush the teeth. He directly had the milk here. So next, children. She had an idea. What he did next day? What she did? She had an idea. Not the next day. That on that day only she did an idea. What was that idea? We'll come to know, children, here. She kept a dirty plate in front of Rahul. See, in the afternoon time they were having the lunch. At that time, what she did? She kept a dirty plate in front of Rahul. Rahul shouted. Rahul, obviously, when the dirty plate is kept in front of the Rahul, what he will do? What you will do, children? Your mother will come and keep the dirty plate in front of you. What you will do? You will shout, what is this, mom? What are you doing here? You want me to eat this dirty food in the dirty plate? Then see what happens here. Rahul shouted, what is this, mom? You expect me to eat in this dirty plate? You want me to eat in this dirty plate? Who is asking here? Rahul. Rahul is asking to whom? To his mother. Shall I show you the dirty plate, children, here? See. This is the dirty plate. See, is this the clean plate? Are you able to see? No. You see here, it's a dirty plate. This dirty plate she took and kept in front of the Rahul. So, he shouted. Then see, mother said, what happened next? Mother said, I thought you would not mind having food in this dirty plate because you are going to use the same dirty teeth. See, Rahul thought that mother is not knowing. Isn't it? Rahul thought my mother is not knowing how she gave me to drink the milk. Like that only she will give the food also to eat. But what happened here? Rahul's sister already told. To whom? To her mother. His sister already told to her mother that see, Rahul did not brush his teeth. When she was very angry, so she is told that, of course, see here, when you are using the dirty teeth to eat, then what is the problem to eat in the dirty plate? She asked the question to Rahul. Then next, what happened? See here, Rahul was ashamed to hear this. As I already said, ashamed means got shamed to hear this because he did a mistake here. So he made his face down. He was having shame there because he did a wrong, as I told you. Rahul was ashamed to hear this. He ran to brush his teeth. When his mother told like this, he directly ran to the bathroom and he brushed his teeth there. Next, from today onwards, he brushed his teeth every day. See, from that day onwards, when he was made ashamed, when his face got down, that day onwards, what he did, daily he started brushing his teeth without any lazy. Got it, children? So, you might have understood the lesson 2, keeping oneself clean. So children, please never do any lazy thing, okay, to keep yourself clean, isn't it? You want to be healthy and strong, na? Yes, if you want to be clean and healthy, you should maintain yourself neat and clean here. Hope you might have understood the lesson. I will come in the next class, with the next lesson in the next class. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.